Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. Happen to have one of my 408 Windsor Strokers. Best bang for the buck when it comes to this one. This makes over 500 horsepower, made about 497, 516 torque. Fantastic. What we do here is build them the way the customer likes. This happens to have the Holley EFI system on here with the Holley distributor. Controls, timing, and everything in it. Fantastic. Got a nice full bolt march system on here. We build them to the color you like, to the oil pan you like, valve covers you want, whatever you want, we do, and make sure it comes out phenomenal. If you're interested in any one of our engine packages, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Peace. All right, John, I got your 66 Ford Mustang engine here. Happens to be one of our 408 Windsor Strokers with the Holley EFI system. We're going to fire this thing up for you and make a dyno pull. Ooh. That's my brake having some water in it. Alright. Got our gauges going. We show them its gauges and stuff. We got our RPM. We got our current temperature, our IAT, our map, our air-fuel ratios. Real nice. Then you can show them over here our oil pressure gauge, our air-fuel ratios that we like to run for ourselves. And here's our RPM. This is torque, and your horsepower reading will be right there.